turkey, what you call them is acting right, my camera. And I have here Purdue. No more is it blurry when I turn it the other way. A Purdue chicken. And what I'm going to do is bake a chicken today. And it's going to be baked sort of like the, it's going to be baked kind of like the turkey. I got my turkey all dressed and soaked. I meant my chicken all dressed and soaked. And pick all these feathers off. Bunches of feathers. Well, this bird was kind of fresh. Yeah, this Purdue bird was kind of fresh. It was kind of fresh, right? So I better search it for feathers. It was real fresh. So I poured some melted butter on my chicken, just like I did my turkey. But I'm not putting butter under the skin of the chicken. And so I'm going to go ahead and put this chicken in the oven. Okay, my chicken is cooking. There's my chicken, all done. Right, I took and did what my mama said did. I cut the stem. I cut the stems, and you just cut the stems, and I put them in water, and they came right to life. You cut the stems because the stems are dry, and they're not going to accept water. But when I cut the stems, I put it in there, it came right to life. Look at that flower. It was not blooming when I brought it here. That flower is blooming. It is just beautiful. Beautiful. Look at this. It is just beautiful. These are real flowers. It is just beautiful. I just want to show you this beautiful bouquet of flowers. This is just a beautiful bouquet of flowers. It is just beautiful. It is just beautiful. Look at it. So today I'm making the eggplant parmesan that I made before. Now, eggplant parmesan is a dish I used to make when I was a little girl. I used to make not eggplant but chicken parmesan when I was a little girl. And so I'm making chicken eggplant parmesan, and I'm making an Italian salad. So, I didn't do it this way last time, but I'm doing it this way this time. Last time, because the way I cooked it as a child, I just floured it and cooked it. And the way I'm cooking it now is in breadcrumbs. And when I cooked it as a child, I just cooked it in flour. I have to make the sauce. And the other chicken I'm just frying regular. But this chicken is a chicken for my eggplant parmesan. Be sure to season your flour before you do this. I like this flour. So that's mine right there, and this is just the one with the flour and the egg white. But I really don't use the egg wash, I just flour. This is burning. I'm going to have to turn on the exhaust. Now these are Lindsay's fresh olive, organic. Well, they usually just have nothing in them, but they're organic. These are the organic brand, but usually they just have nothing in them. They're just regular olives with nothing in them. So I'm not scared of the dye because there is no dye. So they taste differently. So there you go. I could save some for the sauce, but that's okay. Okay, this salad is for me. I'm gonna eat this. Now, this is eggplant and chicken parmesan. Garden Italian salad. If anybody wants cheese on this salad, I'm going to leave it out here. There it is, full bloom.
On my shirt, and I was like, oh! And then I was like, oh, it's a ladybug. And I reached down to pick it up, and that thing is dead. Oh! I don't know. Look how that's good. This is like big enough for me if I take it. You're gonna give me an application when I leave.